Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're starting off at a client's home. I know you guys already saw this house when we were doing the site visit. So we are here to do the furniture delivery, unboxing, setting up so many things so that we can see which items are left. So yesterday the electronics were delivered yesterday. And then now today the furniture is coming in. So as we wait for the furniture, let's unbox the electronics. Also, we got the mattresses 2 days ago. So we got the mattresses first, and then we got the electronics, and then today we're getting the furniture. So from tomorrow we're going to be shopping for the extra household items and for the decor items. So today is Tuesday, I think the 8th. I think we'll be done with this project by 10th, if I'm not wrong, or 11th this week. So you guys are going to be seeing the project reveal probably in a week's time after you watch this video on Sunday. So let's get to unboxing.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
space in the kitchen was an empty hollow space, as you guys saw in the site visit in the previous video. So I called Paul kama kawaida to come and make the floating shelves for me, and that is something that we decided with my client, that we should do small floating shelves for the pantry area, just to increase or add more storage space in the kitchen, because the cabinets don't have much space. And I think that was an amazing idea, because the pantry space turned out amazing.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line.
The living room balcony window was fitted with curtain rails, so we decided to do curtain rods instead, so that it's going to be easy for my client to fix and remove curtains every time she wants to clean them. So when we fixed the curtain rods, we put the rods very high, but because of the space between the ceiling gypsum and the wall, we had to remove the rods, and then we had to remount them slightly lower. Thank God my client doesn't like curtains that touch the floor, so that adjustment made the curtains fit so well. Otherwise we'd have to go back to the fundi to have the curtains refixed and reduced in length. But let me just say, everything works out for good at the end of the day, and the curtains look pretty amazing. I love how the curtains stand out.
see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, need to hear that voice, 'cause right now feels like it's been too long.
So guys, we are in the master bedroom. We have already mounted the TV and it's looking good already. And then we want to move this from here. We move it sideways so that it can be the same distance as this one, because there it doesn't really make much sense. It doesn't look symmetrical. You see how it looks? It doesn't look good at all. So we want to move this to the end, and then at least the master bedroom will look nice. So that's what Paul wants to do right about now.
You're an angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar. But I like it, we on the floor. In my ear, be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go. Go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the word that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. It's true. 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 It's true.
finally managed to fit everything in the house. The furniture, the electronics, everything is in place. So I can't wait for you guys to watch the part 2 of this home on Friday the 17th. And then after that, we're going to be having the project reveal this week on Sunday the 19th. So make sure that you have subscribed and turned on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any project updates on this beautiful home, because trust me, you're going to love it. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video, and I love you so much, and don't forget that Jesus loves you more. Bye.